Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the automatic security check feature on the MetaMask application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen, then tap on settings. Click on security and privacy, which is the second option. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page where you can find the automatic security checks feature that you can enable by clicking on this button below. As you can see, it automatically checks the updates that might expose your IP address to servers. This indicates that your IP address is using MetaMask. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.